Hello students, we are meeting here to learn new things. Correct. Now we will see the 8th chapter, that is Windows Movie Maker. Now in this we can make different videos, different movies and we can run it. So we'll proceed to learn many things in this. Movie Maker. Windows Movie Maker is a video editing software that allows you to create and edit videos. This program is manufactured by Microsoft and provided within the Windows Essential suite of software utilities. It allows users to build movies from photos, videos, and animation, providing built-in sounds and effects, as well as to publish them on OneDrive, Facebook, Vimeo, YouTube, or Flickr. Movie Maker is non-linear editing software, which means that the original file that was placed on your hard drive will not be modified in any way. Movie Maker creates its own different video file while you are editing, so that if you want, you can create several different movies using the same source file. How that we will see in the course of time. In the year now features of Windows Movie Maker. In the year 2000, Microsoft developed its first version of Movie Maker for Windows Millennium operating system, which provided the facility to edit video files. Various other features: audio narration. Movie Maker allows you to record narration and you can do it while watching your video playback. These narrations can be saved as an audio file. You can even add sound effects to the narration track. Other sound effects also, or your own voices. Audio waveforms. On the time scale, you can find your audio files very easily, and because it is represented as colored waveform, it helps while editing, as it makes it easy in determining the high or low points in location. Music download online. Movie Maker allows you to add music to your movie by downloading it directly from various online music stores like Audio Micro, Free Music Archive, or the Vimeo Music Store with proper rights. Then outline text effects. To improve the overall quality and readability of the text message in your movies, Movie Maker now provides customizable outlined text. You can also change the color and size of the text as needed. Means you can format the text. MPEG4.H.264. Movie Maker now supports MPEG4/H.264 encoding. H.264 is a popular standard of high definition digital video. It has become a popular format for cameras also. This format also reduces the amount of storage required to save the movies. This is advanced feature. Video stabilization. Sometimes the video you have shoot appears shaky, as if you have taken it on a bumpy ride. Movie Maker now has an options to stabilize your shaky videos and correct the wobbling in your movies using the new stabilization and wobble correction features. Video as audio. It allows you to use videos as an audio source for your audio tracks. Auto save. Movie Maker automatically saves your project files periodically when you are working on it. This feature will help you to recover data from your project in case of unexpected shutdown. So these are the more advantageous features. Now starting with Movies Maker. By default, Movie Maker is not installed in Windows 10. You have to download the Microsoft website and install it. You have to download it from the Microsoft website and install it on your computer. Click on the Start button to open the Start menu. It displays the list of all installed programs. Scroll to display Movie Maker and click on it. The Movie Maker app opens on the screen. Suppose you have given if you have pinned to the taskbar or a pin in the Start menu, you have to open from there. Now, How to download Movie Maker. See this site I have given here. If you want to write down in your notebook, note down it. This link is used to download Windows Movie Maker at free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. Type the above link in any browser and press enter key. The site will get open and you can download the Movie Maker software at free of cost. Understood? Now whenever we will see now the first screen, whenever we will open the first screen of Movie Maker, see the screen will look like this. It is having a file tab, quick access toolbar and the usual ribbon. Okay, ribbon is having tabs and groups and other commands also. But here, see here, it is shown current totals. A black screen is given. That is, you can make the full screen also. There, actually, which picture you are selecting, which video or which picture you are selecting, it is getting displayed. Then scrub is there, and then play or pause means whenever our preview pan is there on the left hand side. You can see whatever you, if you have made the video, you can see that video. If you have stored the picture, that also you can display it will get displayed. Now storyboard pan, whenever you will select it, it will get reflected in the storyboard also. In the at the bottom, see here, time scale, zoom is given, then thumbnail size control is given here. Okay, these are the parts of the window. Now after that, we will start working in it, adding photos, videos or audio. To work in Movie Maker, you have to add videos, photos and audio files. Click on the Home tab. See, numbers are given. The Home tab is here. You have to click on the Home tab. Click on Add Video or Photos here. Navigate. See, add your videos and photos dialog box will get open. Navigate the folder from which you want to add photos. You have to select the folder accordingly, select the pictures that you want, that you require and click on open. You have to select the pictures. In my in photos, I have selected these many photos. Out of this one particular photo I will select and click on open. So what will happen next? See, I have selected this butterfly picture. So all selected images will be added in the storyboard of the Movie Maker. This is the storyboard area. Here also it get added and here you can see the preview of it. Correct. And if you'll play, it will show you the preview. It is not video. So click on the play button to preview the movie in the preview monitor. Here I have selected one picture, so it will show me only the one picture. If I have selected 2-3 pictures, it would have showed me the movie itself. Okay. Now next is adding videos. Again same, click on the when the Movie Maker window opens in front of you, click on the Home tab. See here, number 1 Home tab is given, then click on Add Videos or Photos and navigate. Again a dialog box will come. Out of that you have to select the video. Now here I have selected this particular video and I'm clicking on open. So what will happen, that video will get added here and it will come for the storyboard also. It will come in the storyboard also. If you click on play, the full video will get played here. So the cursor is status, this bar is here at the end. Can you see this? Now after that, it is adding music. Suppose we want to add some music. Again we have to click on the Home tab and there add music icon is there. As music files will run in the background of a movie or along with the other media, the add music icon will only highlight if you have already added a movie. Then if nothing is there, music, for what purpose it will play music, so that will not get activated. Click on add music. See, add music icon is here. Click on that and again a folder will get open where I have stored the music. It will show me that wave file, it will show me, and then I have to select that file and click on open. I have selected this particular file which is shown here. So what will happen, a music will get played and the selected music will be added and a green wave bar is added at the base of that movie, of that clip in the storyboard Movie Maker. Can you see this? It is shown with the red arrow. Click on the play button button preview the movie along with the music on the monitor. See here, if you'll click on play, you will get the video displayed along with the music. Okay, all this we will see in the live session. Importing digital files from the external device means what? Some files we want to take from the hard drive or the pen drive, and is external device. Okay, sometimes you record movie files on the digital storage such as flash drive or a portable hard disk attached to your camera. You can import the files into Movie Maker directly from these devices. How? That we will see. Attach the external device to the computer. Means here I have attached the pen drive to my computer, and then I'm clicking on File tab and I'm selecting Import from device. Okay. After this, what is the next step? Next step is that select the device. Whenever I'm clicking on import from the external devices, this dialog box will get open and my pen drive details it is showing. So I'm selecting this pen drive and click on import. I'm clicking on the import button. So what will happen? It will get all the files, it will select from that particular pen drive, and it will give me two options: import all the items now, or review and organize it, whichever items you want to organize it, or you want to import all the things. So better always give review and organize. This option you select and click on next. So after that, what will happen? It will show the files which are there, uh, like picture files or video files are there, which are there. You have to select to import a group of photos and videos. Select the checkbox next to the group here. If all the pictures, all the checkboxes here are given, don't select all the checkboxes. Select only the one which you want to add in your movie maker. Okay. After that, you have to for each group photos, videos, import, click on the enter name. Here you have to enter the name. Flowers photos, I am entering the name, and the tag also you have to give flowers. Okay, the tag button also you have to click. It will prompt you to add the name. There I have written flowers, and click on import. See, next step is click on import. After clicking on import, what will happen? Photo gallery will appear. What photos you have selected, you have put a tick, note that photo gallery will appear. Click after that, select each photo or video you want to use in your movie. So I have selected here the photos from here, all the flower photos, not this video as well as not this video. I have selected all the flower photos, and then you have to create on the click on the create tab. After clicking on the create tab, what will happen? You have to click on the movie tab. So for these four pictures, it will make a movie. It will make a small video out of it. Okay. So after this, the selected photos and videos are added to the storyboard in the movie maker. See here, four flower photos I have selected. So four this got added, and it get attached the music also already to it, because for first video I have given the music. So it got attached to it. Like this, we have seen how to make a small movie, small video. And whenever you will get this video, try to understand the things from this and try to download the movie maker in your on your computer if you have computer, and try to do this project, try to do this program if possible. Okay, bye then. Thank you.